how to use focus mode on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on digital well-being. So after click on digital well-being, scroll down to and click on focus mode. So after click on focus mode, scroll down to and click on add mode. So after click on add mode and type, after enter, click on done. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use focus mode on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.